10 new easy dinners recipes to make. Start your dinner recipes for one person or the whole family. The recipes include, amongst others, creamy chicken, quick pasta, and quick fritters. For these recipes and many more, check the link in the description below. Here are the 10 new dinner recipes. 1. Almost instant creamy chicken and corn noodles. Noodles in 2 minutes. With this 15-minute dinner, you can give your chicken a creamy makeover. 2. Tuna Mornay pasta slice. Savory slice meets tuna Mornay. Our latest throwback mashup is the ideal lunchbox edition because it can be made ahead of time. 3. Easy spicy chicken skewers. Grilled skewers are the epitome of summer. To save time, prepare the skewers and sauce up to a day ahead of time. 4. Cheesy chicken tray bake with leek and bacon. This creamy chicken bake is topped with a cheesy golden crust and a luscious leek and bacon sauce for the ideal comfort supper recipe. 5. Lemon butter prawns. In 15 minutes, this delectable supper winner will become a new family favorite. 6. Mexican-style hot dogs. We've given hot dogs a much anticipated Mexican-style makeover that'll never grow old and is ideal for feeding a crowd. 7. The new Philly cheesesteak. What kind of sauce goes well with a Philly cheesesteak? You'll enjoy the solution in this recipe since it's simple, straightforward, and delicious. Give these Moorish Philly cheesesteaks a try as a go-to easy entertaining recipe or weekend lunch. 8. Giant skillet halloumi and zucchini fritter. With this extremely fast XL fritter, you can feed the whole family. 9. Loaded Cajun beef. This spicy beef mince supper can be ready in 30 minutes with a few grocery tips. 10. Quinoa, edamame, and broccoli salad. This fresh salad is vegetarian and vegan, and ready in 15 minutes. It's also healthful and great for a quick dinner. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more useful tips like this one.